In this video, we will show you how to update Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. To update your Nvidia drivers on Windows 11, first you need to verify your Nvidia graphics versions. Just type Nvidia and click Nvidia control panel. And you can see there your version is 517.40 and you are using GeForce GTX 1650. Okay, please note this is the most important, so you don't download the wrong driver later. Then open Google and type Nvidia drivers and click the official drivers from Nvidia. Okay, you can find your product here. Note your Nvidia is GeForce GTX. Okay, for product series, okay, from product type is same GeForce. For product series, just select GeForce GTX, okay, 16 in here, and your version is 1650, not this. You can select this, okay, and you have a Windows 11 operating system. Click this. Okay, from the download type in Nvidia, you can select two version. There is best for studio needed or for game needed. In here, because we often edit the video, I prefer using studio driver. And for the language, let it by default to using English United States and click search. Okay, and in here, as you can see, the release date, the latest version is 2022 in November and 16, and the version is okay. There is a newer version rather than the install on our machine, so we can download this Nvidia Studio driver. Just click this because this is the newer version rather than the current version on our Windows 11. Then we can click download here. Okay, after that we can uninstall first our driver on control panel. We can uninstall this three of Nvidia driver. Starting from graphic drivers, please uninstall. Okay, just click uninstall here and make sure all of this driver is uninstalled successfully. Then you can restart your PC. Okay, restart your PC or your desktop. After that, you can update the driver with just install the with the newer version you just download. Okay, after this download is completed, you can just click open later. Okay, you can click open when done if you are using Google Chrome browser. And that's all tutorial how to update Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.